Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 56 Pear Tree Road in Broomfield. Now this is a really well-sized 3-bedroom semi-detached property, and coming straight through from the main entrance hall we've come straight into what used to be a garage for the property, but is now a fantastic dining room but could easily be used as a study or perhaps second reception space. And of course you do have that really handy cloakroom. Coming through now into the kitchen, you'll see we've got a lovely modern kitchen here. We've got the access there on the right hand side, and we do have a Worcester combi boiler tucked away in the corner there as well. Hallway is nice and spacious, plenty of storage under the stairs, and coming through to the lounge at the back of the property you can see we've got a nice modern decor here, nice modern finish, and of course a real bonus, we do have that set of bifolding doors there just leading out onto the rear garden. That rear garden does enjoy a really nice sunny aspect as well. So as you can see, we've got again a really nice amount of space here. And coming upstairs next, you're going to see that we've got 3 good sized bedrooms, and also the bathroom here, the main family bathroom, is a fantastic size as well. So just coming up here onto the landing space, we'll go through now and take a look at the bathroom. So you can see there we've got a nice modern finish here, fully tiled, and of course we've got the bath there and the shower unit on the left hand side. Coming back across the main landing space, it's worth noting you do have a fantastic size airing cupboard there, but coming through into bedroom number 3, you can see for a bedroom number 3 this is not bad at all. Got that lovely big window there at the front, just overlooking the front garden and driveway. And coming through now into bedroom number 2, you can see again a lovely double-sized room here with the windows just overlooking the rear garden. We'll go into the main bedroom number 1 next. Of course you can see it's a lovely double-sized room, nice and sunny in here, and of course plenty of space there on the right hand side for plenty of wardrobe storage. We'll go into the back garden next and we'll recap a few points on this property. Of course it's worth noting to the front of the property we do have a block paved driveway which does provide you with plenty of parking. And now in the rear garden you can see we've got a lovely amount of space, not bad at all, and again you've got that really nice sunny aspect. So this is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property, number 56 Pear Tree Road in Broomfield. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us, and don't forget, give us a call today if you fancy having your own free valuation.